Hello everyone, this is Anne-Marie again from Not So Many Album Templates, and I am here to show you a new album which is not so new anymore because I taught the bigger album in Pretoria and in Rustenburg. So I decided, because it has been so popular, to do it in a smaller version as well. So I've used the Zelatiel paper pad, and I decided to do it the other way around today, in showing you first the completed album and then showing you the blank album. So this is my completed album, and let's dig into it. So it's magnetized. This I counted roughly with the spaces, which the white represent the photos. Can take up in about 105 photos, roughly. If you go for bigger photos, it will take less. If you go for smaller photos, it will be more. So this is your album in the front as you open it. This is about a 5 by say 5¼ photograph, so you can see it doesn't take small photographs as such. You open it to the left, and this is just inserted here to be taken out again, so you can do as you wish with this album. So this is this side. Close it again, open it to the right again. These are a selection of photographs as well. This is a 5 by 7 and smaller for that matter. It flaps up again to that side, and if you open this space, you will see that it is a large spread of photographs that you can add in here. So let me just close it again. On this side, this is where we inserted the big envelopes or envelope style inserts, like so. There's also space for photos. In this one, it is like this, and then at the back of it I have inserted a pocket for a few photographs as well, for photomats, whatever you prefer. And it's magnetized again. This is the second page, or the main page. This is again a flap that opens, and these are also 5 by 7 photographs, or places, spaces for photographs. So this is your completed album with photos in it, and then if we come to the blank albums, you'll see the difference. So there's your waterfall. Instead, I could have had 8 flaps or photomats in here, but I chose to have 6. So this is that side. This is also 5 by 6½ photomat there. Like I said, these flaps, you turn the page over. There's a huge 5 by 7 photograph as well as smaller photographs or spaces for photographs. On this side alone, you can add 60 photos. Okay, on this page I have added a flap here, also magnetized, and a flap here. So there as well. Turn the page over. There's another space for a big, yeah, and I've lost the other one, the smaller one that was here. It's only been adhered with temporary glue, so I can take it off. On this page, this is exactly the same as the bigger one that I've done, but it's smaller format. Oh, here it is. Smaller format, also magnetized flap there. Opens. Let me show you the top first. This is a 4.5 by 6.25. Space for a photo there. If we come to the bottom, there as well, lots and lots of space for photographs. Here, whereas we had the corners here, in fact, I forgot to insert it. So when you order this album from me, you will have it. The corner pockets, for that matter. There, here, there, and the back page is like this. So this is the smaller album, and it measures about 8.25 by roughly 10.1 to 10.25. So this is the new album, or the one I've been working on, seeing that the bigger one was such a success. Now let me show you the blank album. Now this is only the magnets that's been adhered there. On this side, this is again your flap, your set of flaps here, which is also going out to the left hand side. Now in this one I decided to enlarge my envelope spaces, so I don't know what you can call it. This flips up like so. It's too big, I can't get it into frame. And this one flips down to this side. So the space, this side here, this size here is exactly the same as the bigger one. And what you can also do is put a pocket in here as well. So it also flaps back on this side. I've added a magnet there for a flap like so, and up again like so. In other words, I tweaked it a little bit. It doesn't look exactly the same as the prepared one. So, but I'm happy with this one. There's more spaces for photographs as well. Folds over to this side. There's another flap. The flap there, and these flaps are bigger than the first one I showed you. And then here I've added my belly bands with only a 1/4 inch space between. But what I realized afterwards is I can do this as well, whereas this is a belly band that is stuck to your page, and it's got a pull, and you can pull your, I don't know, I'll see if I'll put this in. So yes, this is this side. Turn the page over. There's your band again. This is also bigger. This, that. This is exactly the same size as the bigger one. That's the same size, it's just the height that differs. There and there. And you can also put a pocket in there. So I am very excited about this album specifically, a few people complained that the 11 by 11 was too big, but I had very positive feedback from everybody that bought it from me. Very happy with the size, very happy with the layouts, and even the ladies that did this album with me was very happy with it. So this is the smaller version of it, and I went so far as doing it in a, I think it's a 6 by 6. I unfortunately don't have that one here, but yes, this is the album, and it will be on sale on my Facebook page. So if you want to order, please message me, and hope to hear from you soon. And thank you for watching, and have a very nice day. Bye bye.